Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset, and first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and to wake it up, press the upper button. Then press it again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called the system. And once you find it, tap on it. And here, scroll through the menu, find the option called factory reset, and once you find it, tap on it. Then tap on the checkmark to confirm and start the resetting process. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.